SVM. Tamir Kalimi, sorry, I don't know what that is. Is that Hebrew? Surprise! Wow, Patrick coming in strong. Yassine says superior virtual machine. Okay. Surprisingly violent manager. Wow. Patrick coming in strong. Rohan with super video maker. Oh, I like that. I like that. Rahul says solid vertical mechanism. Okay. Okay. Tamir says hello, my friend from India. Nice to see you, Tamir. Welcome. We're playing wrong answers only. Speaking of wrong answers, Casual Economist, our first time attendee, comes in strong with single virgin males. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, we have some very strong entries right now. Strong entries right now. SVM. Tamir says, "I like your skill." Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Nitan, welcome. Welcome to the stream. We're playing wrong answers only. The current word is SVM. Oh, Hamad, I like this. Supremely vague methodology, which is also how most data science teams run. They run on supremely vague methodology. Rahul says, thank you, Casual Economist, who brought up the single virgin males. That's hilarious. Charles. Charles, I don't recognize your name. I think it's your first time attending. So, welcome. I don't mean to come down on you, but the game is called Wrong Answers Only. I'm not mad at you. I'm just disappointed. Tamir says, I really like your videos. Thank you for that, Tamir. Appreciate that. A lot of work goes into this content. This content doesn't make itself. Let me tell you. A lot of work happening over here. Okay, if you guys remember from last time we played this, we had a food theme going on. Everybody submitted a food answer. So Deadlord is starting off with sandwiches, vegetables, and mayo. I like it. I like it. Joseph, continuing our food theme, sizzling veggie madness. Okay. Okay. All right, so last call for SVM. I'm seeing some strong entries. I'm seeing at least 2 entries that are good. We might have to have a vote on this, guys. Last call for SVM entries.